Hi, I'm making this cornstarch Play-Doh. What you're gonna need is obviously cornstarch and soap. Hand soap, shampoo, any one of those will work. Excuse me while I mix this for a little bit. And watch the next video to find out how it looks. I'm sorry, but this will take a few minutes. So goodbye.